So the thing about public speaking is people who are good at it always make it look really easy. But actually, it takes a huge amount of hard work to deliver a memorable presentation. The secret is to do all the hard work before you get on stage. So by the time you're up there in front of everybody, you're good to go, polished, prepared, rehearsed. Then all you gotta do is take a deep breath, nice big smile, do your thing. You might even find you start enjoying yourself. I'm Dylan Beattie. I'm a software engineer, musician, and I give talks about technology. I've done keynote presentations at events on 4 continents. Over 3 million people have watched my talks online. And in this live online workshop, I'm going to teach you how to create, prepare, and present your own great technical talks. We'll talk about choosing a topic. Great presentation is about storytelling. How do you find your story? We'll talk about structuring your ideas, preparing content, rehearsal technique. How do you make sure you're developing good habits, not reinforcing bad ones? Live code, slides, video, animation. How do you work with these kinds of things? With more and more events happening online now, how do you present online? We'll talk about webcams, microphones, screen sharing. How do you take questions from the audience? How do you recover when something doesn't go according to plan? And I'll share a whole bunch of stories and experience from my own career as a speaker. That's my online workshop, From Keyboard to Keynote. Check it out at versatile.com/workshops. If you have any questions, or if you're interested in a private workshop for you and your team, get in touch. I would love to hear from you. In the meantime, thank you so much for listening. Take it easy, stay safe, have fun, and I'll see you on the internet.